Gonna stretch first before the ride. Get my stretch in. Oh, my knees. And we are done. Hello guys, welcome back. It's a new day. The sun is out. Can I help myself? Oh man, hurts. We are gonna go for a quick ride on the R3. It's a nice day for a nice ride. It's been sitting for a while. Yeah, cause my friend gave it to me, and yeah, just taking it out for a quick spin around the block. It's been a while I rode. I mean, there's still gravel on the roads, and all that. So we just gotta be a little bit careful. I miss the R6 though. Yeah, if you look around, you can see that there is still gravel on the road, so we just gotta be careful when riding and just be mindful of the gravel. Oh man, one thing about the R3 is that I don't like taking it on the highway when it's windy. It's a little bit windy right now, and whenever you take it on the highway, because of how light it is, it tends to kind of like push you. You see what I mean? It tends to like push you around. It's just a lightweight bike, good for learning and all that. Oh, gravel, 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 gravel. I normally like riding when it's very sunny and not windy. It's very windy today, so I might have to just, anyways, I was just getting a quick ride, testing the bike, trying to get a feel for the bike. We just make a quick stop and have a look at the R3. Easy to find neutral on this, like real quick. And yeah, we gotta now start afresh again. I don't know the R6 or the 600 cc's I want to get next. I'm just looking into that. Everything is expensive now with how the economy is. Is it gonna get better from here? We don't know. We're only gonna cross our fingers and just hope it does. Too much gravel over there, too much gravel over here too. Well, just want to take a quick look at the bike. Nothing crazy, just looking for a nice spot. Let's take this one. Take it easy on the gravel. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. And yes, I don't want to go far or ride too far. I thought it was gonna fall. I don't want to go far or ride too far because I don't know, I don't really like riding the R3 on the wind or when it's windy, except if I really have to, But yeah, this is the R3. It's a nice bike. They kind of have the aesthetics of the everything that they have now. It's kind of looking like this, with the face, the new face and all that. The R1 has it, the R6 has it, R7, R9. They're kind of looking similar, just a little bit of difference, on how it's angled and the lights. I'm pretty sure the R7 or R9 has a light, LED light in the middle. But yeah, looking at the side, someone said, oh, is this an R1? Funny enough, I'm like, no, R3. Because he saw on the side, he thought it was an R1. I'm like, it's not that big, You can tell that it's not that big. And you can see the R3 everywhere. But yeah, it's a good looking bike. Don't get me wrong, it's a good looking bike. And yeah, we're gonna head back on the road. Still a bit dusty. Gotta go for a wash. Take you for a wash sometime next week, hopefully. But for now, we're gonna leave it as it is, as I just want to warm up the bike and just get a feel for it, you know. Just kind of like, oh boy, the wind is winding. Oh my days. When riding, you gotta be careful for all those gravel. Even the small rocks can fuck up your day. Oh man, it can really mess up your day real bad. It's not that great when those kind of stuff happen. I'm pretty sure they are yet to sweep the city and all that. Today was more of just warming up myself, warming up the bike, just trying to get a feel for it and take it easy, get accustomed. That's why I don't want to take the highway, because it's still, there's a lot of gravel and this is windy. And I did say I still have a lot more to learn on the bike. Because after the R6, you know, I was like, you know, back to the basics. Probably missing something, you know, I'll probably skip something. You know, I started on the 400, and you know, eventually we're still gonna go ride the 400, you know, when the weather gets nice. But yeah, ice cream truck. Woo! Guys, you remember this ice cream truck? Oh man. See, the funny thing, you can hear the ice cream truck during the day. That's fine, you know, that's nice. But if you hear it at night, 3 a.m. oh my days. Oh, you're gonna be scared shitless. I think that sound is one of the sounds that if you hear it at an odd time, you are gonna be like, oh my days. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.